Hi, salamao. I'm Erina Molina. I'm an environmental scientist from the Philippines. My happy place is by the ocean, like here. So I love being in the ocean. I love being underwater. I love diving. Diving is like flying underwater because I just let myself be amazed by these amazing creatures that you see underwater and just be mesmerized by the colors of the coral reefs. But most of all, I love dugongs. So dugongs are marine mammals. They're like dolphins and whales. But believe it or not, they are also closely related to elephants. Dugongs are also called sea cows because they graze on seagrass beds near the coast. And this also makes them vulnerable to fishing-related activities such as fishing gear entanglement and boat collisions. Also, even though that dugongs have poor eyesight, they have excellent hearing capacity. So they communicate through sounds underwater. Dugongs are found in warm coastal waters like the Philippines and also in Madagascar. So I hope that this video would inspire you to learn more about Malagasy dugongs and to think of ways on how to protect them.